know you didn't ask, but in case you're wondering what I used for my eyebrows, I used the Super Lock from Maybelline for my eyebrows. I know I love Butisa, but I'm just saying, I'm just putting it out there. But nevertheless, guys, yesterday we went to the first event of 2025. First event of 2025 with Maybelline and Spotify. Guys, I had the time of my life. I wish this can happen each and every single weekend, because what? They had so much activities, the lighting in that room, the decor, it was just too nice. It was just too nice.
Yo, DJ Smasher.
Of course, guys, what's a brand event without a goodie bag? What is a brand event without a goodie bag? Okay, experiencing, meeting great people, yeah, yes, but also a goodie bag, and that's what we got. And I'm about to show you what we got from Maybelline. Many activities that you could do, like playing games. Obviously you win stuff, and I've won this bucket head. There's Spotify. Okay, do that. Spotify bucket head. Yesterday, one of the games I played, like however you want to wear it, or feel as but we have orange or green and purple. It's a 2-in-1 bucket head. One swap in and out. Because I got this bucket head, and also Maybelline. My makeup game is about to go out this roof. My makeup game is about to go skyrocket, because Maybelline was like, Chumi Twara di brush hore, how we you know, what Maybelline you be ready, like be ready for my makeup to be flawless, because skin na let the brush Maybelline is that twara chum how we makeup how I'm not on the brush so close with done. Next we got should I say it or do you want to say it? Maybelline, baby. Maybelline Twara. In case you know Mutolo Shiana or Rata Bella Musiki Twara Chomi Twara. Chomi Twara. What? These are so cute. These are too cute. It was a Maybelline, guys. What? Like, maybe this is too cute, man. Maybe too cute. What else? My little lip gloss as well. Got this lip gloss. Let's try this one out. Smells good. I love this. This I love. Feels so good on the lips. This I love. I'm to find that shine. So we got these 2 different colors. And what's this? It says tattoo eyebrow styling gel, and it lasts for 36 hours. Okay, this. Okay, let's try it out. Ooh. I see something. Okay. Okay, something like that. Yeah, something like that. We also got, okay, what are these? This is, it says color tattoo 24-hour eye stick. Okay, how does this work? Give it a one. I'm sure it get the the cat eye. I wanna see. Let's see. Oh, if you're on a plus, I needed this. Oh. Oh, okay. Not me twisting. It's a sharpener, guys. Oh, cute. This is a sharpener for the. No, is it? Oh, it is a sharpener. It is a sharpener. So how do you? Oh, you can do this, and to get it like sharp like this, you have a mini sharp. Oh, this is too cute. This is too cute. It's like you feeling bold and daring. This is gonna come in handy. What's next? Tattoo liner. I think this is for the cat eye. I hope it is. Tattoo liner. I could be wrong. What's this? Let's see. Okay. And it's pink. The day I feel like being like, you know what, daring. It's pink, Gazini. It is a pink. And what's this? Liquid dip in. It also says tattoo liner. Let's see. I hope this one is black. I hope it's black. It's gold. It is gold. So this one is pink and this one is gold, guys. I've got pink and gold liquid liners. This is pink, yeah. I'm about, okay, not now. But nevertheless, so that's it, guys. That's all I got at the Maybelline event. That's it, guys. That's all I got at the Maybelline event. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and engage with me in the comment section below. That will mean a lot. With that said, thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.